This video is going to introduce you the most basic functions of Adobe Premiere Pro. After watching this video, you will be able to use Premiere Pro to edit video projects. To start a new project, open Premiere Pro and click the blue button New Project. As a new window pops up, rename your project. Then click the button Browse on the right side of the window to choose the saving location for your file. After you click the button Choose at the bottom right corner, do not modify any other settings in the window and just click the blue button OK at the bottom right corner. When you enter Workspace of Premiere Pro, you will see its major layout. At the bottom left corner of the workspace is the Project panel. At the top left corner of the workspace is the Source Monitor. At the bottom right corner is the Timeline. And at the top right corner is the Program Monitor. Let's start with the Project panel. The Project panel displays all the footage that you sent from Prelude. It also includes text, sequences, and black videos that you have created for your project. To review the specific footage, double-click the footage. Then the footage will appear in the Source Monitor just above the Project panel. Click the triangle button to play the footage, and click the square button to stop. While watching the footage, set in and out points for the part of the footage that you want to use for your project. To set the in point, click the marking button, which is the second button from the left. To set the out point, click the Mark Out button just next to the marking button. Then click the Insert button, which is the third button from the right, to move the part of the footage that you have selected to the editing timeline. But before putting anything on the timeline, make sure that you create a new sequence for the timeline. To create a new sequence, click the New Item button, which is the second button from the right at the bottom of the project panel. Then select the first option, Sequence. When a new window pops up, select AVCHD on the left side of the window and select 1080p. Next, select AVCHD 1080p 30. Then click the blue button OK at the right bottom corner of the window. As the timeline of the new sequence shows up, and you have inserted the footage from the Source Monitor to the timeline. You can further edit your footage on the timeline by dragging the ending point of your footage. You can trim your footage. You can also cut the footage by using the razor on the left side of your timeline. After you cut the footage, click the Selection tool at the top left corner of the timeline to select the part that you want to delete. Then hit the Delete button on your keyboard. You can watch the result of your editing in the Program Monitor above your timeline. Same as the Source Monitor, click the button in the middle to play or to stop your video project. This video has already introduced you the most basic functions of Premiere Pro. If you want to learn more advanced functions of Premiere Pro, please go to lynda.com or Adobe TV to find more information.